Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today we are continuing our journey in a must-try AI tools in Canva. Here in a part 40, I will show you an application called Text Layer. And as you can see here, with this application, we can separate the layers of the image and we can insert text between the layers. So I will show you this application in this tutorial. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep getting content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. But before we really start it, we are going to the app marketplace and looking for the application, what it's offering for us. Seamlessly layer text and images. Add text behind the subject of your images to create dynamic layered effect. It's pretty easy, sounds promising. The application was developed by the AIGC Hacker House LLC. What a name, what a shame. So we are going back to our Canva. So I just opened a new page in the project, scrolling down to the apps, and I mean to the apps, yes, and searching for text layer. Choose file. I just have to choose one file and have to click on separate layers. That takes sometimes few minutes, so I will pause the video while the AI is separating the layers. So it's done, and now we have this small control panel. I just add the text like yoga. We can choose the color. Unfortunately, we do not have a gradient color option, but we have the standard color picker, so I can even pick a color like from this Canva color. We can choose a different kind of fonts, not so many, but at least we can choose. We can create it bold or italic. And here we can choose between the size. The 600 is a bit too much. The blue is not good. So just going back to the yellow. And we just have to drag and just move whatever we want. You can see here the layers are really separated, so here is not looking that good. Meanwhile here it's much better, and I can increase the size a bit more. Oh, it's too much. Yeah, just a bit, like here. Yeah, then I just have to click on add to design, and we already have it as one element, as you can see. So it's really doing what was offered by the application. It's a highly recommended one. I know we can do it with a different methods when we just duplicating the image, removing the background, and we just put the text between the two layers. But this one is might be easier with less options, but this is also a 50-50, which one you prefer better. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel if you really like the video or other my contents. Please also visit my Facebook page, where you can find the link in the description, where you can find lots of another Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image generation prompts for different kind of AI applications. So if you're also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned before, you can find a link in the description. In the same description, you can find also the link for my new Instagram and TikTok page, where you can find lots of short tutorials. I try to upload at least one video per day. So that's those two channels are just growing and growing. But now this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.